Good morning. Wait, good afternoon. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're making our meal prep. And this is closer. What is it called? Chicken meatballs with stuff inside. What kind of seasonings? Italian seasonings. So we're gonna put this in here for 20 minutes, I think. Timer off, 20 minutes. Look at Bubs, guys. Patiently waiting for a treat. He just sits there until I give him something. So we're gonna go in his cat drawer. Yes, I know. Yes, thank you. Oh, we can't wait. You only get a little bit of treats. Bubs, come on, come down here. Alright. Does. Okay, so I'm cutting up some onions and garlic for my homemade barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna make my own barbecue sauce using some tomato sauce and molasses. I was gonna use ketchup, but I don't know. I'm trying to be a little healthier, and molasses. And I have some diced jalapenos. Afterwards, I'm probably gonna make some guac with some avocados. Yeah. Okay. So first thing I do, oh my gosh. So we're gonna brown the garlic first. Saute it a little bit, and then we're gonna put the onions in. Okay, time to check on the balls. Is it good?
A couple more minutes.
Okay, a few more minutes. Okay guys, so I don't really have a recipe. I'm just going by some stuff, like ingredients I saw online, and I'm gonna try to make a good barbecue sauce with it to go with the onions. I mean, not the onions. To go with the crap. Meatballs! There you go! Thank you, Dar. Jeez. I don't know where my brain is at today, but I don't know where it is. A little bit of this. Oh my god. Look at that. I think I put way too much. Oh. That was it. That one is not working, so I'm going to put on this one. Some chili. Some pepper. This is why I can't have nice things. Okay, Dar, here, taste it. How does it taste?
It's good.
It's good? Are you sure? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Sure? No.
I'll get a different spoon. Well, I don't know.
Did you add salt to it?
It's good, yeah.
You need that salt?
Ooh, it's spicy. Okay guys, the meatballs, our chicken meatballs are done. We cut it in half to make sure it was good, and now we're just letting the homemade barbecue sauce thicken up a bit. I think that'll be good. And then now I'm gonna make some guac, because guac is delicious with everything. I'm gonna look for some, there you go, like hidden pepper. Just one, we don't have any more. So I'm gonna put that with my guac, and then get some more onions. Look at this cute little tiny onion. Alright guys, so this is my dinner for the night. Oh! My mic thing just fell out. Oh, and I got hot sauce on it. Dang it. I gotta clean that off in a little bit. I'm gonna eat my dinner. I mean, I don't know if it's really that healthy, but I think it is. It's not bad. It's just chicken and meatballs, some homemade barbecue sauce, a little chips, and salsa. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Bye bye!